Hello everyone, myself Karthik. I'm in grade 10. I study in Sri Virendra Patil school and I'm here to talk about the SSY classes. First, I was like a common man and I was a follower. I would listen to other words, and when I came over here, I got to know about many things. And Firstly, I got to know about the introduction about SSY class, and then we got to know about the rules, which are primary rules and the ground rules, and I even got to secondary rules, which are like 100% participation, taking it as easy. Those are secondary rules. And if you come for food, we got to know there are three types of food, which less prana food, zero prana food, and more prana food. And if you go for very less prana food, we'll get as brinjal. It's somewhat little poisonic, and the garlic, if you take it is we have to just take it as a medicine. Um, and the zero prana food, which are we can take as potato and tomato, and the high prana food will get it as ashgard. Um, uh, and afterwards we will get to know about the responsibility. We have to be responsible for each and everything around us, and we are responsible for each and everything in this world. And next, we got to know about the leadership and the followers. And till now we have led a follower life. When I came over here, I got to know the meaning of the freedom, and even the meaning of the leadership, how to lead our life in the form of the leadership. And I even like in if you take it as a meditation and all, uh, meditation, it is a very good thing, and we can relax our mind, and we can regain our energy in very less time. So it is so good. And We can regain our energy. And if you come to academics portion, I we in our schools we use 365 days, or to study. We study the whole thing, but here we can get to know, we can remember the things which we have studied in the form of point structures, tree charts. And we and even have read the speed reading. I thought like I can't read the whole book at once. In one day I can't read anything. I can't read even 3 to 4 chapters. When I came over here, I literally read like 10 to 15 chapters within 2 to 3 hours, and we can even remember them easily. And we can it's so easy. And the camp here, it has made my life more easier than before. And even some adventure activities are also there, such as zip lining, mountain climbing, rappelling, and even the river crossing. I have enjoyed these all activities over here, and I've got a new experience in my life. And I have got the responsibilities, such as when I start the work, I have to complete the work within some period of time. And that's all I have learnt. And still my SSY classes are keep going. I want to learn more. And thank you.